Part 1. Product Introduction. Multifunction heating blender integrates many product features, such as juicing machine, fruit extractor, soybean milk maker, food machine, and grinder. Fully match the function of all-in-one is preferred modern home appliance for home healthcare. The largest generation of multifunction heating blender integrates heating and drying in one. Not only can make vegetable juice and ice powder, but also can make soybean milk, fish soap, medicine soap, porridge, and so on by heating. It uses the technology of ultra-high-speed motor to break the skin, 26,000 RPM or more, and enhance torque. It is an integrated processed product that can do ultra-high-speed cutting and smashing of food ingredients in the cup, thereby breaking the cell wall of food material and releasing vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, protein, and water from the cell. It is composed of base machine, cup body, cup cover, feeding cover, push material rod, brush, and smoke cup. While the push material rod and brush are mainly used for pushing and cleaning, the other parts are the integrated components. Please see the correct assembly method. Panel uses IMD touch technology. Just touch with your finger to select your desired function. Part 2. Produce Performance Demonstration. Grinding Performance Demonstration. Soybean powder. Use the small measure cup to take the food material no more than 20 grams into the cup. Screw the safety cup cover. Select the function selection K to grind. Press the start button. Then the product would automatically stop after grinding. Grinding ingredients use this principle of small amount many times. Use the above modes for other food materials and medicinal materials. Fruit and vegetable performance demonstration. Apple juice, orange juice. Takes appropriate amount of apple. Takes the appropriate amount of orange. Cut it into lumps and pour it into the cup. Screw the safety cup cover. Select the shortcut K, juice. Press the start button. Then the product would automatically stop after the completion. You can use above methods for all fruits and vegetables. Can also choose time and gear by custom functions on both sides of the display. Heating soap cooking function demonstration. Soybean milk. Measure amount of 1000 ml soybean into the cup. Add 1200 ml clear water into the cup, according to the scale on the glass. Select soybean on the button. Press the start button. Then it will do an automatic program. At this time, the display showed that the molecule status is the product is heating. Please wait patiently. NTC temperature automatic sensor unit is installed inside the product. The temperature will automatically jump to countdown state after meeting the requirements. Food production will be complete when the countdown is completed. Finally, open the feeding cover to add appropriate amount of sugar. Press and hold the start button for 5 seconds. And then you can pour it to drink. Soap heating and cooking function demonstration. Milk porridge. Use the small measure cup to measure the amount of 1000 ml rice into the cup. Add 1200 ml milk into the cup according to scale on the glass. Select the porridge on the button. Press the start button. Then it will do an automatic program. Note, there will be a smart amount of milk sticking to the button in the heat process. Soak it with water after the completion. Then panel and wash. Soap heating and cooking function demonstration. Fish buns porridge. Please wash crab into the cup body. Then add pepper, salt, and other ingredients. Select soap on the button, press the start button, then it do an automatic program. At this time, the display showed that the mercury state is heating. The heating process will last nearly an hour. The cooking is completed when the products make a sound of DD. Finally, select juice, press the start button to end into the wiping breaking stage. You can drink after the completion. Fish bones are fully broken, so that the thick soap is rich in calcium and trace elements, make it easier to absorb for human. No falling of residue when drinking in mouth. It has higher nutritional value, prevent osteoporosis. It's beneficial especially for teens and skeletal aging people. Part 3. Product cleaning. It is also very easy to clean the product. Pour 8 to 1000 ml water into the cup. Cover the lid. Click the pause or clean and hold it for 50 seconds. Pat the water in the cup, then pour the water out. The cleaning can be completed after repeat 2-3 times. There will be small amount of food sticking to the bottom in the cooking press. Soak with water for 10 minutes. Then repeat the above operation.